Alright, now we're going to unbox the Futureshop exclusive steelbook of The Hobbit, An Unexpected Journey, also sent to me by the Roll 514. Here is the steelbook. You already know the special features, and you know it includes the 10 production videos. And in the States it's rated PG-13, of course. But in Canada it's PG or G. It's made by Warner Brothers MGM. Blu-ray disc. It is 2 hours and 49 minutes. So let's open this up. The rule, you always hook me up with the best stuff, man. If only I had known you way back when I started making YouTube videos. I am not lying on that one. Here is the back of the steelbook. I think that's Gandalf, if I'm not mistaken. You can see it's PG-13 here. MGM, New Line Cinema, and Warner Brothers. The ultraviolet digital copy, of course. So, you have your Blu-ray disc, your Blu-ray special features, the DVD disc, and the map of Middle-earth. So again, not a bad looking steelbook at all. Thank you again to Rule for sending me these steelbooks. I greatly appreciate them. And yeah, that is my unboxing of The Hobbit, An Unexpected Journey Futureshop steelbook. Let me know what y'all think about that, and I'll check you out. See y'all later.